What's up, online shoppers? If you are looking for a gorgeous mirror to accent a wall, to put in your bathroom, or maybe even in your bedroom so that you can see yourself getting changed, you've got to check this one out. It's so pretty. Now, this was gifted to me by the brand. I just can't wait to get it out of the box and see what it looks like in person. Here are all the hanging fasteners and some instructions. I think the easiest way to do this is like this. Like the slow reveal, eh? Be careful when you do this. You don't want to scratch the frame. Oh, this is lovely. Beautiful. So the company that makes this is called Brauthon, and I have to tell you, this is really, really pretty. It has kind of like a faux gold covering around it, and I love how solid it is. Now, it's one solid piece of glass here, and then these are all inlays here, and it's really, really pretty. I just absolutely love the size of it. We will definitely give you a review once it's hanging in place, but what I love about it too is that it has a really nice set of installation hardware. This is something I've never seen before. It's an aluminum edge here and an aluminum edge here. So you can either hang it on the wall this way or you can hang it on the wall this way. And it's super secure. For me, that is absolutely awesome. I've never seen anything done like this before. That speaks to the quality of this product. I'm really impressed with this mirror. It is beautiful. It is really nicely set out. I love the gold accents. The mirror is an excellent quality. So if you were looking for a great accent mirror for your bathroom, for your hallway, this one here from Brauthon is definitely going to be a family favorite at my house.